Go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna do World 3.
What he said. So, took us an hour to convince Andrew to start playing again, but he's here. We're gonna do the double feature videos on Friday and Saturday, and we're gonna do them very, very quaintly. And what I mean by that is we're gonna play 2 worlds in one video. So that means we're probably gonna do a ton of fucking premieres. But let's do this shit! On right off the bat, guys.
Right off the bat, boys, we are
Penguin!
Oh my god, I already died!
Too bad for you. Okay, let me just kill everything. Andrew, get coins. Hadassah, don't die. Or else you're gonna set a bad example. Penguin Chio! The power of Penguin Chio-chan will compel you! Okay, Andrew, get out of your bubble. You get a penguin suit when you get a penguin suit.
I don't even know how to freaking...
Oh, forget Andrew! Bubble. Press it. Andrew, press A. So you got a 1-up. Andrew, press A. Oh! I thought I was dead. I wasn't dead. I was transcending death. Andrew, get that. Oh, that's a freaking scooch. Press freaking 1. Andrew, bubble. You're about to get frozen. Yo, chill. Hadassah, don't go in the pipe. Go in the pipe. Andrew, bubble. You were gonna die.
Wait, I want to get
Bubble. Pop. Pop goes the weasel. I got the penguin. I'm Penguin Chio-chan. Again. Cooking is so fun. Now it's time to take a break and see what we have done. Magically build a fucking cake. Ah! Oh my god, I'm not dead! Look, Jesus! Press bubble. Both of you, press freaking bubble.
I died!
I think I pressed bubble.
I think you pressed bubble. You're not dead,
I
actually.
didn't press bubble.
Did I press bubble?
You pressed bubble because you didn't die.
I don't know.
So you good. Let's move out of the way. I'm trying to kill this thing. Alright, let's go freaking Andrew, nobody go in the pipe. Nobody freaking go in the pipe. Trying to be a dank memer here. Pipe.
Well, that was actually cool. I don't know how to do that.
It's called Hamoud. I don't know. I honestly don't know what Hamoud is. Santa Claus. I popped you. GG. Okay.
Oh,
Press 1. Press A. You chimps. Okay, press A. Alright, I'm gonna pop Hadassah. Andrew, you pop. Let's go. And Christmas. Bosta.
yo, Luigi's in the middle because I'm the best.
Middle is the best. First is the worst. Third is the one with the weave.
Here he says.
Yeah. 3, 2. Vámonos, amigos. 3, 2. Vámonos, amigos. Ahí listos. Yeah.
Dude, this game's so good on the DS. I'll play it all day.
Freaking yeah. I'd play that one on the DS.
You still have the DS?
I still have a DS. Still nostalgia freaking reasons. No, I don't have a DS. No, I don't have a DS. Get the ice. Ice, baby. Ice, baby. Yeah, we're freezing everything. It's freaking 200 degrees. This is a freaking New Jersey level. Y'all should never lose this level. It's a freaking New Jersey level. Screw you, hammer bro. Your name is now Phil.
Oh my god!
You gotta jump over everything. You don't jump over everything. You literally go through everything. Andrew, get the star. Alright, good. We are gonna kill you now. Just bubble. You're too slow. You can't even clear a gap, Hadassah. Get that!
I didn't die!
You didn't die because you pressed A. A is the only thing you know how to do. And we in.
Ooh, that was low key.
Can't pop you now, sucker! Beep. I don't even know what I just said. Freaking. There's a song that actually exists called Pee Pee Poo Poo.
What?
There's a song where they literally say taking a pee and taking a shit is actually the most amazing. Oh, sorry, Hadassah. Ah!
Oh my god.
I didn't kill you, so be grateful. Woo! That's how you be supposed to. Everyone go in the bubble. Yeah, get jumped.
Ooh! That was legit!
I had to help you out there.
You didn't even mean to do that.
I did need to do that. I was giving you a life.
That's tough.
Nah, but that's Pog, dude. Congratulations, buddy.
How come we're not doing this now?
Alright. Speaking of lives, if we beat World 3, if we beat the 3rd level, after the 3rd level, we're going for the ghost house, and then it'll be tower, and then we're moving on.
And then that's World 4?
Nah, I got a couple more left after that. And first off, boss fight. I'm just kidding. It's a
little warm up.
Little warm up. Hey Andrew, you and me. Let's destroy some piece of shits. You die. You die. And oh, okay, he's dead. Hadassah didn't kill anything. She just got the things. Da 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 na 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 na.
Dang, I really messed up the trampoline, low-key.
Low-key, you busted a spring out of that thing.
You think it still jumps the same?
It still jumps. It still jumps. Tres! Vamos, ido! Oh, no,
you can't, if we break one more. But...
maybe. Alright, let's go. We're just gonna do this as casually. Alright, remember, we're going for completion, so don't go. I'd also grab that for your own good. Because you suck. Yeah, but Hadassah sucks, so think about it. You're the better player, so you're not gonna die as much. You're like second best. Imagine if Gabriel was here. How would Gabriel do? I think Gabriel would be good. Oh! Oh, there we go. Andrew, don't die. The world is counting on you. Be Penguin Andrew. Or, no. No, I'm Penguin Chio. You get to be Penguin Andrew. Andrew, you have to press 2 to jump. You have to press 2 to swim. No one's on drugs.
I never said no one was on drugs.
Probably except Cisco. Press A, Hadassah, for your own good again. Andrew, press A, press A, press A. Because the penguin has special swimming. Just press A press 2 in the direction you want to swim in. Killed it. Let's go. No, this is underwater, underground type. Andrew, you can take that checkpoint block. Andrew, take the checkpoint. Yeah. You ballin', Andrew. You ballin' today. You have to get you off your high horse. Andrew, you and me, penguins. I'll be Penguin Chio, you be Penguin Andrew. Yeah, we ballin' on these people. Hadassah, you don't get popped. You gotta think about what you did. Oh,
You just popped me, though. That's the point.
Okay, fine. Hadassah, you be a contributing member of the team.
It's not fun when it's
Oh shit, sorry, Andrew. Yo, hold up. Let me go up here and get coins.
This is hard. Once I get off after this.
It's gonna be a boom. See, we get coins. We're rich, boys.
You gotta win up every time you hit 100 coins.
1 up every time you hit 100 coins, baby. It's like $1. Okay, hold up. I think I know how to do this part. Go slow, go slow, guys. Go. As soon as I say go slow, you guys go way too slow. I don't mean go too slow. Hang on. I'm gonna pop you. Real quick, teamwork. Guys, teamwork. Let's do teamwork.
Teamwork to jump on my head and kill me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey, sorry.
Okay, let me go in there. There's other things. Like, maybe I'm wrong, but Hadassah, don't die. Yeah, there's more. Everyone just chill. Alright, I'll get the penguin. Andrew, get that mushroom. Let me grab the barrel. Let me grab the barrel. We're gonna need the barrel. We're gonna need the barrel. We're gonna need the Donkey Kong barrel. Andrew, let everything fall. Let everything fall. Do me a favor. Let everything fall.
This just froze me.
Wait. Move. Everyone move. If this doesn't work, Hadassah, you can sacrifice yourself.
No.
Nope, never mind. You don't have to. You're lucky.
What do you mean I'm lucky? Oh.
If I didn't have the barrel, Andrew would have gotten the star coin already. So consider yourself lucky again.
Get me out of the bubble, please.
Nope, I'm gonna throw Andrew up there. There, I got you out of the bubble. Now get in the flag. We giving Andrew lives. Andrew lives matter. Andrew lives matter. Technically, Black Lives Matter. So yeah, Black Lives Matter. Alright. Speaking of lives, let's go get some. Because we need to have lives. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna be nice to you. I'm gonna just miss.
Low-key, this
Andrew,
trampoline is legendary, bro.
Low-key, you're spinning every single time you go on the trampoline. Alright. Andrew, everyone, just try to get as much as you can. Here, I got one.
How do you shoot it?
Press 2. There, Hadassah got one, and Andrew got...
You press 1?
No, he pressed 2. Andrew got 1. We all got one.
The edges are the best one.
Yeah, you gotta aim at a diagonal point in order to get them, at least. Alright, we good. Next up is...
The ghost? Oh, what is
mini
that?
boss.
What is that?
Retard.
What is that?
You get 47 lives.
I know where like split that with
47 lives. Yeah, Hadassah, here, take that. Oh, you killed one. Freeze! Oh, congratulations, Hadassah. No, you good, Hadassah, you good. And you too, Ed. You know, you're all good. This is gonna be a wholesome gameplay. We're gonna help each other.
Well,
we're gonna win.
Bullying me. This should be called YouTube bullying.
No, YouTube's not bullying
this
you. The game is
called
bullying.
Ethan has to share.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Can I be Mario in this
It's
game?
supposed to call them.
You can't be Mario. You have to be player 1.
Can I be player 1?
Whoever owns the channel is player 1.
No. Can I be player 1?
I own the channel.
Oh, I know.
No, this level was legendary. It was actually pretty cool. Hadassah, don't go on that door.
Oh my god!
Well, yeah, obviously, there's gonna be tricks.
Did you get the star?
I got the star.
You know the second star?
I think, yeah, I know where the second star is. I don't think I know where the third one is. I might have to check. Well, not check, but like...
Oh, here?
Yeah, you go up here. Yo, hold up, I think I know where it is. Like, let's check. Just keep...
Come on.
That's what...
That was
The
it.
reason you're dying.
Hadassah, don't even think of pressing A. You can be player 1 for freaking... Why am I being so freaking careless?
How do I go on the ropes again?
You go on the ropes by pressing the buttons.
The button
I have
up.
one left.
Me too.
Yo, no. Not on my watch, I'm getting y'all lives.
Get into
I'm getting coins right now.
Don't
Bet, I'm getting coins right now. Yeah,
What the hell is that?
Turn away from it. Stop looking at the thing. It's ugly. Imagine it's freaking ugly. Alright. Bubble. Both y'all bubble. You can't pass it.
Watch. I just did.
You can't, okay, fine.
That's scary.
Wait. You guys literally just fell for a trap. Don't go on that door! It's a secret exit door. I killed myself for you.
I went in the door.
It's fine. I think the last one's here, maybe.
No.
If it isn't, we'll just...
I died, Ethan.
We'll get coins. This level has a ton of coins. You ain't fucking do this.
Oh my god, I'm alive.
You finna die first. Andrew died because he was unlucky. Alright. 5 more coins in Andrew's revival.
Oh my god, what the?
See, Andrew, you're alive. Bet. Then don't die by ghosts. Stay away from ghosts. We're pushing him. Save Andrew. Andrew's important. Freaking get the star powers!
Ethan gets all of them? Like, what the heck?
I'll kill everything. Just, guys, stay away from ghosts. Get the powers.
Did they die by fire?
No.
Come on.
Move right here. Move right here. Or not. See, I think we just missed the star coin.
Whatever.
Alright, that's good. That's
Actually,
good.
that's not whatever. We need all the star coins.
The ghost was... The ghost... You can't bounce on ghosts. They're invincible.
That's stupid.
Alright, let's retry that level. Let's retry that level.
Literally impossible.
Wait, what coin did we miss?
The last one.
You think it's possible to get every
Because we
level?
took the
You think
secret
it's possible
exit.
to get every level, every star, and at the end go on the top of every flag?
Yes.
How?
That's often a requirement in some of the games. Andrew, here, get a life. I had to do it for one of the games. It's stupid.
You did the top of the flag every single level.
Oh, every single level.
Yo, oh my god.
Yeah, I'd be like that sometimes.
This is the level.
I'd be built different.
This is the same level.
Yeah, we have to do this, but we have to get the no.
Oh my god.
Don't you dare press A. Okay, freak. I know you're not that dumb, Andrew. Don't worry. Oh well. All right, get. Oh wait, those are old mushrooms.
There's an old mushroom.
See, okay, just climb up these things real nicely. Don't look at any ghosts. Or at least if you look at look at them.
I need a bubble because
Keep climbing on the ropes.
Yes, I went first.
Thank
I'm player one
you.
next road. I'm player one next road.
All right, fine. I'll give Andrew my lives, and I will bet him $10. He won't waste them. That's just an actual bet. Look away from the ghost. Also, I bet you $20 Hadassah will use more than 100 A presses.
Oh my god, I didn't think I would did it.
But we have to bring the ghost closer.
Yes, you have to bring the ghost closer. That's why you have to not look at him.
Oh, we have to look at him.
No, you have to not look at him. If you don't look at him, he's gonna keep going. All right, drop. No, keep. No, stop looking at him. All right, let him keep going. Andrew, let him keep going. All right, jump, go on the ropes, go on the ropes. Freaking person. Keep on the ropes. Everyone, actually, let me look away from this ghost. Hadassah, look at the. All right, go on the ropes. Hadassah, go on the ropes. Press A. I'll damage you for that. Go on the thing. Go on this. Go on this one. Jump. Alright, we good. Just press A. Oh, wait, no, never mind. You guys got it.
Oh my god, I just killed myself.
Hadassah, you committed Alt F4.
Just got it.
Alright, let's see if I'm right. Check these corners. Maybe the coins in there.
I don't think we have to go. I think
It has 47.
We already did the secret. Yo, hold up. Feel every wall, because the coin is stuck in a wall, I think.
Oh hell no! The hell's that?
Except that wall. Everyone grab it. Kill this thing. Kill this monkey. See, Andrew, you're right there. Stay there. Yeah, that wasn't shit. Oh, we just missed it entirely.
Maybe the other side.
It was the other side. I should have freaking checked. I was.
Go back.
We can't go back. Door's freaking glass. Andrew,
Try and give me a moment.
I can, but. Get it! Oh. Hadassah, you freaking ruined our routine.
I already went on it. On Max.
We have to do this level again.
Dummy.
Again.
It's so dumb. At least we're gonna get coins.
We can get coins from this level. Infinite
Yes.
coins.
We're gonna put this in the video?
Yeah, we can put this all in the video.
You sure you don't want to cut that part out where you get in the coin?
No. We can do all this raw on footage. The only parts that get cut out are parts where we get
Is your dad
interrupted.
coming back home tonight? Probably not. Right?
Probably not. I'm just gonna say
Yeah,
that.
for sure not. So what's the
Wait.
surprise?
We need to go back and get those coins.
So no surprise?
I don't know.
Remember your dad does it. Andrew had surprise.
I don't know. Get it. I'll get all the coins. I love how vigorously I'm shaking the remote in order to get rezzed. Rezzed, I'm speaking in four. Hadassah, shut up.
Yeah, it's on, boys. It's on.
On, boys, it's on. Don't worry, I'm getting every coin. I'm getting every coin. You guys can keep going. Play this game normal.
It's right up there.
No, I think I'll revive y'all. I mean, Andrew will like it. Hadassah, stop falling down and pressing A. That is the only thing you know how to do, I swear to God. And dying, too. Fine, I'll probably just operate this level myself. Hadassah, stop jumping. That'll make you automatically lose.
I'm not jumping.
Fine, Andrew's revive. What do we...
Oh, I'm back.
Hadassah, go in the door, go in the door. See if it's there. We'll see if it's...
No, I don't think it's there.
If it isn't, I'll
It
hate...
might be on one of the top.
If it isn't, then we're screwed.
We just have to wait for this platform to go down again. I
I
swear.
got this side, you get this side.
Hadassah, go help Andrew. I'll be over here.
I'm gonna die again on this side to the ghost, right?
Just stay in the middle if you die. Stay in the middle if you think you're gonna die.
Hadassah, you good, yeah.
Yeah, Hadassah's good, but we're not. I'm looking at death. You guys ain't looking at death. Actually, we're all looking at death.
How come there wasn't a big ghost? Hadassah, stop doing that.
Hadassah, stop jumping on the street. Oh, it's right here, it's right here! Huh.
Those are the stars. Those are the stars. Get ready. Get one.
I don't know if I can get one each.
Oh my god, yes, we got one.
Everyone kill ghosts. Kill the big one, kill the big one. Hadassah, get the big one. Friggin' pog champ. Friggin' loser. You ain't my pog champ.
Where
You...
we can get in the store.
Oh, wait, there's something new.
I don't know. Wait, is there something over here? Nope, there isn't. Alright. That was good! You boost yourself.
Go quick!
Oh my god.
That's not enough time.
30 minutes.
Until now. It's like 8:45. 8:45.
Go quick.
And cut finish. Mushroom house first.
Cut finish.
Mushroom house?
Yeah,
What are you
mushroom
doing
house.
here?
This is where we collect our stuff. Oh my god, we better do good on this one.
Guys, get in.
Okay, everyone. I got a plan. Y'all. Okay, let's just. Alright, Hadassah. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. Okay, Andrew, you next.
Lost the keys.
Okay, Andrew. This one. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's going good. Andrew.
All right.
Be careful.
I think maybe this one.
This one.
No!
What the fuck?
Can we redo it?
Was mine? Yeah, mine would have been bad anyway. Mine would have been bad anyway.
Can
That
we
wasn't.
redo it?
No, it disappears.
Damn. How come we did it so many times before?
I don't know. Maybe because we were good back then. Penguins are actually Andrew. You get a boost. Let me Cooper. Let's do this, Hamoud.
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 Where'd you get that from?
It's I think Miloa.
Huh?
Miloa.
Is it the boss level?
Mid boss. It's like the first boss. There's like 2 fights.
Yeah, Bubbles was
Peasant! What do you call a pet? Get over here! Frickin' get over here!
Yeah, but he's your pet.
Don't call me a peasant. You're a peasant. Peasant. You didn't need one, but okay. You wanted to be the fire goddess. Calling me a nugget?
Did we all die?
I think you just died.
I didn't.
I'll revive you. Hadassah, you didn't die because you were lucky.
Wait, did we get the first one?
I think this is the first opening. Got it. Alright, Hadassah, go to the door. You don't need no 1 coin. Just go to the door. I had to climb the whole thing. You were lucky. Chicken wing, hot dog in the fridge.
You know what it is? We have to get to a shop and buy new lives.
There is no such thing as a shop.
So
Go down here, go down here. You're not screwed. We just get coins.
I need lives, Ethan. I can't go the whole world, the whole freaking thing going by 0.
No. First of all,
What the hell are those?
electric thing. They call it electric. You just have to get 2 coins and you just have to bounce out. You got both of them. What is wrong
On
with
accident.
you? On accident.
Isn't the other one?
Nah, don't worry, Andrew. We're gonna revive you. It's the first thing we're gonna do right now. Just walk. We're gonna be poggers. We're gonna be poggers together. But the last one for this level, the last one's kind of hard, I think. For the last coin in this level is kind of hard, so we gotta be careful. There, coins. See, you're back. Avoid the skeletons. Just kill all the skeletons.
Imagine you got a
I die of happiness. A career I actually never wanted to pursue. That I actually pursued. We have 30. Hadassah's a magnet. She sticks on everybody.
I'd be dying because you make me go slow. And then I bounce on you, and you bounce on me, and then you
See, Hadassah, you're killing yourself. Nah, don't worry. It's all up to me, it's all up to... I needed that, Hadassah! For that! Yeah, you're welcome. You screwed up the whole thing. We have to do this level again.
Restart the whole thing already.
We can't. Fine. We're gonna epically fail the boss and we have to do all this again because Hadassah's done. I literally just told you we can't do that. Wait! At least let's get this one. So we don't have to do this all again because Hadassah's so puny brain.
What do you mean?
You have the worst brain out of all of us! Alright, Hadassah, you know what to do. Yeah, be my. Hadassah, you literally died with the worst gimmick ever!
What's that gimmick?
Freaking balls! He shoots out balls from his wand. At least... What are you doing?
Wait, I wanna die.
What are you...
I need to die.
What's the worst boss?
Andrew's already getting 5 lives.
What's the hardest boss?
Hadassah, don't die. Please.
Hadassah.
Don't die!
Hadassah, kill him.
Freaking kill him, dude!
Hadassah!
Kill him! Ah! I literally have to do your dirty work.
No, I'm gonna die.
Wait, we get 5 lives from a boss room?
No, you get 5 lives because you died, Andrew. You get 5 lives. Hadassah still has 1.
I got 5 from because we won the boss?
Yes,
No,
you get
you
5
died.
because you lost. You get 5 now. But Hadassah just had to freaking mess that up. So now we have to do this level again.
Look, he ran away.
Yeah, he ran away to his freaking uphill hideout.
I didn't mean to mess that up. You're the one that popped me there.
Hadassah, why?
I'm a bag.
When was the first time you ever played this game, Ethan?
I think it was all the way back on launch.
Like 2009?
Yeah, 2009.
Yeah, that's a full one.
Played it as a 4-year-old. And then there was that one time we played it. We all played it. Me, you, Gabriel, Hadassah.
Wait, I was like 6.
Word, we were banger in that. We were banger at this game.
It was like 4 players, right?
Yeah, we were all 4 players. Me, you, Gabriel. Me, you, Gabriel,
I used
Hadassah.
to be Luigi.
I think you were Luigi. I was Mario. You were
I
Luigi.
hate being a mushroom.
Hadassah
I
was.
know Bingo Toad.
Ethan, imagine being a mushroom.
Being a mushroom is garbage. You're so generic.
God,
But you're so average, Hadassah. Get down there, get down there. You were not dead.
Come on. Oh my God.
Bubble up to me. Bubble up to me. Alright, we'll do teamwork. We'll do teamwork mode. Don't get popped yet, or else you guys are gonna fall over.
There's a door right here.
That's not a door. Hang on. We all gotta be on the platform. Collect coins. Coins contribute to everything. Coins are love, coins are life, all coins matter.
How did Hadassah beat this?
Hadassah beat this because she's purely lucky and I'm carrying her. See, look, literally, I'm carrying her. Andrew, get the lives. You need them.
Well, actually, Hadassah beat me.
Yeah, but you were the one whining about lives.
Look at her, look at her.
She's not even doing anything. Hadassah, there are other buttons in the map. Freeze everything. Hadassah, since you have a mushroom, freeze everything. Hadassah, don't mess this up. Just freeze anything you see. There, you got it. See, you won.
We needed that for the freaking thing.
No, we need the one laters for the freaking thing. When I say you guys better not move an inch, you guys better not move an inch. Alright, not bad. Okay, these things, just jump over them. Just jump over them.
Alright, but we have to stay away from each other, because Hadassah, you're gonna mess me up. Look, you're gonna mess me up.
Alright,
Stay
Hadassah is
stay
not.
in one spot.
Hadassah's not even. Hadassah, you're not even moving. Literally move. There, I just lost mine because you. Alright, chill.
Hadassah.
Hadassah.
Oh my God, Hadassah, you always killing me.
I wasn't even
Don't even move
It's
for this.
you.
I'm not popping you guys for this part. I'm not pop. You idiots.
That was
You freaking idiots! We have to die now.
Let's just jump off. Let's just press bubble.
We can't press a. Okay, fine. Press a bubble. I popped you guys and you fell and you hit the POW block. Why? Seriously, Hadassah.
That wasn't me!
Yes, that was you.
Dude, this thing's in the
I was still in the bubble.
It's not gonna take forever. We're gonna beat this. We're gonna beat this. We're gonna get the coin.
We're gonna get it now.
Freaking now.
Now.
Alright, stop screwing around, all of you. Let's do this. Everyone get a fire flower. Now, so help me God, if none of you get a fire... Hadassah, get your freaking... Alright, you don't get one. You don't get one. Let's go. Stop bouncing on my head. We need to go with the...
See, that's what Hadassah does to me.
Hadassah bounces on all of us and stops us from doing anything. I think this video should be called Hadassah's Useless. Hadassah's the freaking soccer of the group. Okay. Andrew would be Sasuke, I'm Naruto, and freaking Hadassah would be not Sakura. Useless punk. And then Gabriel would likely be Kakashi Sensei.
Kakashi Sensei.
Actually, I know Kakashi is.
Yeah, everyone knows who Kakashi is. I know Naruto, what am I, stupid? No, I literally have my favorite. Andrew, you're stuck. Grab that.
Hadassah, get away from me. Get away from me.
Hadassah, get away! Hadassah, what is... Frick! God damn it, Hadassah, you kill us again. Hadassah, get away from me! Stop! Hadassah! Seriously! Stop! Freaking Hadassah! Hadassah, no!
The pow.
Everyone, don't move! Hadassah, kill yourself, please. No. Okay, thank you. God dang it, that took forever. No, we got it. Okay, nobody, so help me God, nobody die here. Okay, we good.
Alright, I'm about to hit double digit lives. I've never been there. Hadassah, now it's your turn to get lives.
I'll pop you both, let's go in there.
Oh, we need some powers.
We don't need power-ups, this is the easiest boss. Alright, 3, 2, 1, action! Beep.
Two power.
Hadassah, you are our meat shield. Go do something. There you go. Andrew, now you. Oh shit, sorry. That was my bad.
Frick you.
Okay, thank you.
Do I get my lives?
No. You have a lot of lives though. You have a lot of
You
lives.
should have killed yourself to get my lives.
That's what I was trying to do last game.
None of y'all can see Hadassah. There she is. Say hi.
She's the epic mushroom loser.
Yeah, damn right she is. Alright, let's do this. Onward! Or something.
Wait,
We're not done.
we missed the rocket.
No, we didn't.
The rocket, we missed it.
We don't take the rocket yet. Penguins. Let's do Penguin Shield. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Doopity-doop.
Let's fucking do this.
Let's do this! We get penguins already, so we're good. Andrew Bubble. You're about to get squashed. Wait, no, you're not.
Look what I'm about to do.
What are you about to do? What are you about to do? Parkour.
I'm trying to bounce off the wall, but the pencil doesn't let me.
Stop banging on my bed. Yo, wait. You got squashed twice.
I keep killing it.
Oh my. It's not that hard. You're just Andrew here. Let me get you a power up. No, we're just getting close. Andrew, bubble. Okay, here. No, you did it. Hadassah, stop trying to kill Andrew. Let's see if we can do. Just jump on that thing. Bubble.
Boom.
Congratulations. Alright. Hadassah, you lost yours. Wait. Fine. Hadassah, don't you freaking. Oh, I'm alive. What? I did something crazy. Hadassah, duck! Get the. There's something there. Andrew, jump. Good. What? I'll mute this. Ninguém fala palavrão.
No! I got back to 3 lives! Dude, I think I'm gonna stay in the boat the whole time.
You'll be a Hadassah. Take the thing. Don't be a Hadassah then.
See why?
Yeah, PUBG. Andrew, get that one up, quick!
That's a float away.
Allow me to get that. Or Hadassah can get that. Hadassah, why are you getting hit by so many things?
Boom!
Kill that guy.
I'll never get that.
That's what you do with it. Here. Let's just stay on this thing. Hadassah, just bubble.
How do you get up there?
Jump.
Wait.
You're gonna.
Wait. Throw Hadassah on top.
Sure. Here. Let me bounce on y'all. Congratulations. We did teamwork.
Hadassah looks like she doesn't even want to play.
Looks so bored. Alright, we have 2 more levels to go. And then we go to the castle. We gotta do a glitch though. Alright. Yo, real quick though. Item house check. Andrew, we're getting it this time. Guys, we're getting it this time. Andrew, stop playing copyrighted. Andrew, we're right there.
This isn't copyrighted.
Alright, I'm first. Let's go. Here. 3, 2, 1, close my eyes. Gotta pick this. Andrew! You're right in front of the panel. GG. Oh! Andrew. Alright, try transition.
Get the corner. Yeah, I did.
I'll get this one.
Yup.
No, always Hadassah. Andrew, corner. Top, bottom. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch up it up. Bottom. Hadassah! Why?
Dang.
We got all the bad power-ups.
All of them on this side.
Dang it. Alright.
That was kind of a trick. What did we do?
World 3-5. What do you want? Actually, we get propellers here, so we good. Andrew, stop pounding on my thing. Hadassah, get the propeller block. You're not worthy of anything. Hadassah, stay on the block. Wait, Andrew, you gotta go on here first. Andrew, you gotta go on here first. On here first. Okay, we good. Real quick, Andrew, me and you get these. Hadassah, I'll throw this to you. If you were alive. Literally keeps on dying. Why are you so silent all of a sudden?
Wait, I died.
Oh, shoot.
Wait, I thought Mario was me for a second.
Oh. Okay, wait. Alright, let me land on here. I'm staying here. Sorry.
Shiz McNuts.
Oh.
Shiz McBubble Nuts.
Shiz McBubble Nuts, my
Shiz McBubble.
Bubble Booey. Stop trying to murder me.
Shiz McMuggleots.
Shake a mama up, Sorry, I think you're dead, Hadassah. That's a champ. Hadassah's a true champ. She's actually balling. Hadassah's balling. We underestimated her. Yeah, we underestimated you. Oh. Sorry about that. Alright, we go on the green one. We can't go on the red one. We gotta do the pattern thing. We gotta revive Hadassah, boys. We gotta revive Hadassah. Now she has more lives than Andrew.
Huh?
Now she hasn't got more lives than Andrew.
That was actually worth it. So be happy, Daddy. Oh.
Be happy, Dassy. Be happy, Dassy. Alright.
What's that?
That's what we get for,
Do we want to use that?
We want to use that. Alright, both of y'all had two continues.
What's that?
It gives us switches.
What?
Alright, let's do this level first, because we didn't get all of them. We have to go to the red pipe.
What's that?
That leads us to the stuff.
To the stars?
Stars. Hadassah, for the love of God, get that propeller block. Andrew, assuming you're not. I'll get us on here. Hadassah, it's right there. Andrew, get it! Pog champ. Shake +1. It shows you right there. Hadassah, get on here. You don't do that. Hadassah, you're literally not even talking right now. Yeah, you haven't been talking. She said what? Oh my god, that's the first word she's ever said. Hadassah's first words. What? Oh, I see it. See how it is again? You're trying to do me dirty. Land on these things if you're not sure on where to go. Hadassah, I think you should stay on the yellow platform. Those were big mushrooms. Yeah, I didn't need a propeller thing. Andrew, just keep on going. I think we're good. I did not need a propeller. Hadassah, move! You're freaking like a brick. Andrew, stop flying so much. You're gonna get hit. Andrew! Literally almost killed me. You know who is dying though? Hadassah is. See Hadassah's face, she just looks so dumb. Looks like, oh my god.
Yeah, I did it, so I'm the boss.
Boss. Nah, no. Jump, and we are. Get on the yellow.
I'll get all the stars since I'm the
Just
boss.
press bubble, Hadassah. Okay, here, I'll grab it. No, never mind. I need the block. I'll get the block. I was gonna get the block. Hadassah, there was a propeller block right there for you. But you didn't grab it. Okay. Nah, we good. Now both of y'all have the same lives, so don't screw it up. Dang it, stupid Koopa Troopa! We could have gotten a propeller. Okay, I need Andrew, me and you, bro team. That was just you, honestly. Alright, Hadassah, I'm gonna keep you alive. You are my little precious eye.
This is hard. Unless we got all the stars, bro.
No, we're doing okay, actually. Alright.
This level is hard with a lot of people, because
People have done it with 4 players before.
someone's gonna eventually get caught up in the Koopa Troopa. That's why. Too full. It's good.
I mean, at least you guys can make the jump. Hadassah, she got it. I was trying to boost you. Course cleared.
That's what's wrong with you.
Don't know. Let's see if the crowd can distinguish what's wrong with her. Alright, we got, we need ice. We need fire for ice. What the hell was Slub'em? Get the Chio penguin thing. Actually, I'm gonna be Chio. Andrew! Yo, Andrew! What is that? Yo, tell me, what is it? Wait, black in the hood.
This is the level. Oh my!
I just farted.
You heard that?
I just farted. And I didn't even hear anything. The funny part is I didn't even hear anything. Oh shit. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, Andrew, if you die, you get more power-ups. Depends. Darcy. Pupuka. Y'all, her name is Pupuka. Pupuka Dupa Fight. Y'all, that is. Hadassah!
Well, GG's, I'm dead.
We'll revive you, comrade Andrew.
You heard that just for you.
Okay, I knew that wasn't you. Huh? Yo, chill though. Hadassah, you're literally dead right now. You're not even saying a word. Say, peep poop poop check. Peep poop poop check. Andrew, you're getting revived. 91. You got 90.
No, don't get the coins. I want it done. I'd rather have 5. I'd rather have 5 from the flag.
True. Hadassah, don't grab the coins. They're evil. Never mind.
Should I kill myself or should I?
Do that. Purely strategic, people. Alright, Andrew, murder yourself for the name of,
I'm actually trying.
yeah.
Wait.
You get your 5 lives. You'll have more than Hadassah. It's called strategic thinking.
Da
da da da da da da da. Hey yo, look out down below. All right, time to fight the third boss of the third world. Huh?
It's the last one.
Last level of the video. Last level of video. Let's have. I was about to say let's be penguins, but Andrew don't want to be penguin. Frosty Tower. Beat. We finna go down. All right, let's go. Andrew, we're going. Andrew, we're starting. Andrew, we're starting. Andrew, we're starting. We're starting. As in, we're starting right now. Hadassah, don't get that.
I'm low-key.
For the whole thing? Yeah, this is the last one, so low-key, you don't need to go. You already give it. There's no star. We already got everything.
You didn't get the first star.
We ballin' tonight. Alright, just go down. Go down. Andrew, you're gonna die!
No, look, there's a green thing up there we need to go to.
We did not have to go. We went for that. Just go. Keep moving. This is my penguin Geo. How dare you?
Bye.
Oh. I'm sorry. Beep. Come on. Oh my word. Get that, please. Do.
Vamos, gente, porque hoje nós vamos fazer Mario Let's Play.
Get the water.
Hoje nós vamos fazer Mario Let's Play.
Sim, nós vai fazer uma Mario Let's Play. Você vai enjoy, você vai clicar o like button e subscribe down below. Subscribe para mais vídeo. That's horrible Portuguese. Actually, it's better. Freaking run from the bombs! They're gonna blow you up. Yeah, it's okay. That's up. No, yours is much better. Andrew, move. The bomb's gonna explode. Andrew, move the bomb. Okay, that was. Yeah, we get this. We get it.
Yeah,
I was
the boss.
Trying to.
I'm the boss. And I got penguin.
Get penguin, Andrew. Hadassah, stop killing us.
No! Oh my god! Why are you always doing this to me?
Karens be like, why do you exist?
You're so annoying!
I'm gonna call the manager on you! Everyone stay on these things. What? No, I have no clue who's that is. I'm stuck. I'm not stuck. I got the penguin Chio. Just bubble, Andrew. I know how to get back. Corvette. Alright, we chilling. We frosting. We gonna do some stuff tonight. Alright, get these red coins. Assuming you guys can even do that. Andrew, bubble. How does a bubble? Nah, you good though.
I'm good, dog.
Yeah, you good dog. Oh. No. She clutched up for us. Stay on here. Someone get that. Andrew, you can get it. But don't go in there.
Open the door now.
Too bad I already went in there.
Fuck. You already go.
Yeah, but we need coins. We need to be rich. We need to be famous. I want to live close to the sun. Pack your bags, cause I've already won. Everything improved, nothing in my way. You get it one day. Cause I want to be famous. Oh, shit. Come on, get up there. What are you doing? Hadassah, bubble up to us. Hadassah didn't get it. Too bad. Okay. I'm sure we can use Hadassah as a shield. Oh, Hadassah already got a mushroom. Poo 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 poo.
It's so funny when this says it.
No, 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 no. No, 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 Pingu. Oh, hey, look, Lemmy has the Dragon Ball. Hey, yo, look, everyone. Lemmy's got the Dragon Ball. Yo, freaking Goku, he stole it from Goku. Lemmy stole the Dragon Ball from Goku. He's insane. Yo, we're actually fighting a good guy. Yo, he's spitting out Dragon Balls. How dare you? Okay, Hadassah, don't land in front of him. Nah, you good, Andrew. You good. You get him. Get him, Andrew. Hadassah, I'm literally boosting you up to get him. If you can. Okay, guys, you gotta jump on his balls. Yeah, they boost you. See, look, I'm jumping. I'm not dead. Andrew, you take the final hit. You deserve the MVP. Frick yeah! Oh, woo!
That was actually nice.
Yo, nasty, bro. And you get the key too. Okay. Yeah, that deserves a round of applause right there.
Hadassah gotta get the key next. Hadassah gotta get.
Hadassah's getting the key for World 4. I promise you. I'm helping her out World 4. But World 3 was all about this guy. Yeah, run away, punk. Okay, that's how we do it here in Florida. Oh wait, but it's not cold here. Oh, that shit was cringe. That was cringe. I don't want to talk about E-Dude.
What happened to E-Dude?
Let's not talk about E-Dude.
Wasn't there E-Dude and there was E-Dude 2.0?
There was E-Dude, E-Dude 2.0, E-Dude 3.0, freaking E-Dude Gaming, E-Dude Live.
And there was Ethan the Gamer.
Ethan that was someone else. Ethan Gamer. That was Ethan Does Gaming. Oh my god.
This is you.
Now this is me.
It's set G.
It's ETSG. And we got all the store coins and we're fresh.
What's it's ETSG?
ETSG is Ethan the Sauce Guy. I'm an anime sauce guy.
Ethan, you're sus?
Wendy Cooper!
Ethan, you're sus?
I'm sus.
Why?
In Among Us.
I'm sus in Among Us. That was tough.
That was tough.
That was a really.
This whole video was tough.
You have to shower now?
Yeah.
You think I could play a game of CS?
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video, leave a like.
Is your mom gonna bug out from a video of CS?
I don't know.
A game of CS?
And blow this video up, share it with all your friends. Show support for the channel.
Was the easiest world?
Yeah. Show support.
What's the hardest world?
Show support. Make sure you bring us to 90 or 100 subscribers. I'm dead. See you later.